Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will teach you how to do a SEO optimization in your Squarespace website. The first step of making a Squarespace SEO website is by doing a basic keyword brainstorming exercise. What you want someone to type into Google to land on your Squarespace website. Prepare a list of basic keywords that user can search for. It can not only be your business name, it can also be the other related keywords of the main service you provide, like your wedding photographer or any other services of your business. If you are providing more than one services, you must mention all of the list here. So let's get started. Firstly, log into your Squarespace website. I have already created my website. I just go to my website directly. Okay, this is my website. Now the first step is to click on settings, go to connected account. Here click on connect account. Here you can see the search console. Click on search console and log in with your Gmail ID. This is welcome the Google to your Squarespace website. So it is very first step of your SEO. Now go back, click on marketing, click on SEO appearance. So guys, this is our SEO description and title. So here you can add your site title, SEO site title or SEO site description. It will be important for your Squarespace SEO optimization. So first, in this SEO, first you have to write your site SEO title, which will look under the Google like this. You can preview it from here. So just I will my node and co. This will look like this in the SEO title. Now it is our turn to SEO site description. Write about your business site description. Start with the main keyword that you want your website to rank for. It is called front loading the important keyword. Also remember the character limit in the site description and include as many as you can. Write in a simple and natural language. This is very important for you guys. I have already created my site description. You can paste here from this. Always remember that your keyword will be simple, and if you want to put according to your requirement. So this is the way you can put your site SEO site description here. Now click on save. Now go back. Now click on pages. Now we have to add your SEO site description and all other pages respectively. For this you have to click on settings, click on SEO, that is here. Now this is our services page. So you have to write the content according to your services title. Click on our services title. Services about your Nolan and Co company. And now you have to write about the SEO description about our services page. After it, Add, click on save. Add description to all other pages respectively with unique content. The content is have to be unique on all other page, specific and unique. Now click on company and click on company title. Also you can add your blog post from here, and on blog post you can write a SEO. The last step of your SEO website is to audit the pages and content of your site. Auditing is very important. Auditing your content of website will help to improve it and make it more SEO friendly. So that is guys, in this way you can do a SEO optimization in your Squarespace website.